The reason why your child is snoring, and that's oftentimes coupled with teeth clenching, kids who toss and turn while they're sleeping, they can wake up with like dark circles under their eyes and dried, chapped lips. All these things are related to a small mouth and small airway spaces. So at nighttime when they go to sleep, the tongue should stay up on the palate. There should be plenty of space in the palate, and the tongue should be up on the palate with light suction. When the mouth isn't growing and developing the right way, the palate's small, the tongue will maintain low posture, it'll fall back in the throat, and it'll create an airway obstructive event. And what you'll literally see is the tongue fall back in the throat, the child will breathe, and the airway will collapse, and that's what you're hearing with the snoring. And kids aren't just gonna stay in that position. They'll toss and turn, try to get their tongue out of their throat, they'll clench their teeth. The clenching is designed to wake them up into a lighter sleep. And then during the daytime, you'll see ADHD-like behavior, poor concentration. These are all the things that we see. I highly recommend seeing an airway-focused dentist and a myofunctional therapist for an evaluation, because with proper expansion and myofunctional therapy, these problems can be corrected.